Hello students and welcome to my channel Sriram Edutalks. In today's class, we are going to learn the method of completing the square which can be used to solve a quadratic equation of the general form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where A, B, and C are any real numbers and A is not equal to 0. So let's start by taking a few examples. My first example is x square plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. So first of all, we need to see the coefficient of x square term, which in this case is 1. So if the coefficient is 1 of the x square term, then we will look for the coefficient of x term. We will half it and then we will square the result so obtained. So I have halved the coefficient of x, then I have squared the result. Now this I am going to add as well as subtract in the given equation. Next is you will be combining the term containing x square, x, and the number which you have just added inside one bracket, and the two remaining terms in the second bracket. Here I can take even minus sign common. So you will see that these three terms will become a complete square of x plus 2. This is x square, this is 2 square, and this is 2 into x into 2 for x. And this becomes minus 9. If you take this 9 to the other side, you get 9. And now taking square roots both sides, I get x plus 2 equal to plus minus square root 9, which gives me two possibilities. First is x plus 2 equal to plus 3 and other is minus 3. Now, one by one I will equate x plus 2 to 3 and to minus 3. And finally we get the two roots of the given quadratic equations as 1 and minus 5. Let us take one more example where the coefficient of x square is not 1. So my next example is 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So you can see here the coefficient of x square term is not 1 but 2. So first thing here will be to make the coefficient of x square as 1. For that, I will divide each term of the equation by 2, both sides, in order to make the coefficient of x square as 1. Now the procedure is same again like the previous case. We will write down the coefficient of x, then we will half it to the result obtained. I will square, and whatever I am going to get now, I am going to add as well as subtract in the given equation. Add as well as subtract. Now I will combine three terms, which are x square term, x term, and the number which I have just written as plus, and the remaining terms in the other bracket. So as you can see, this becomes a complete square of x minus 5 by 4. So this is a square, this is b square, and this is going to be 2 into a into b, 2 into x into 5 by 4. And this, upon solving, is going to give me minus 1 upon 16. If I take this to the other side and then take square root both sides, I will get x minus 5 by 4 equal to plus 1 by 4, and also x minus 5 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 4. Last of all, we will solve these to get the two values of x. One comes out to be 3 by 2, and this will comes out to be 1. So my two roots of the given quadratic equation are 3 by 2 and 1. So students, this is all for today's class. Hope you have enjoyed and learned this method very well. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for getting information about more such videos in the future. Thank you again.